Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Dreame X50 Ultra. This is not a full reset or factory reset or anything like that. This is just a simple restart. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's jump right in. So to restart your Dreame X50 Ultra, here's the power button, so identify that. Hold it down for about 3 seconds. We hear that chime, you can let go. Basically, you're powering this back off and powering it back on. That's going to be the restart capabilities that you have with the X50 Ultra. So we just shut it off. You can give it a second or two if you want. And then we can go ahead. We can hold down the power button again. It'll boot back up. Typical music chime. Get a little voice prompt here. But it's booted back up and ready to go.
Welcome to Use Dreame Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download Dreame Home app to view more operations. To complete subsequent tasks smoothly, place Robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing, start charging, it means the installation is in place.
So there you go. We have the initial startup prompts too, since ours hasn't been set up yet, but you get the idea. It's booted up and ready to go. Again, this will not be a full factory reset. This is just a restart from your device. You'll have all your data and everything else.